So this is the location for the Abia Medical City project. There is in Acharambasa, covering 200 hectares of land in Isialangwa, north and south, And the committee has been very magnanimous, to, work with the government. But above all, the governor is so visionary, so audacious, so courageous that he has made this possible, for us at Abia. And for every one of us who is an Abian and in Nigeria, we should be grateful. This medical city will be the quaternary, the first of its kind, the best of its kind in Africa. And it will be factored, it is conceived along the Dubai Health City. I will have the Texas Medical Center in Houston, and such cities around the world in China and India. Well, I think the best thing the government has done is to make it a project is a private sector driven project, and the investors are already available. The governor has negotiated that personally, and we are very thankful to him. So when the private sector is leading and the Ministry of Health is coordinating, there's as much as it's within human control, we'll make sure that it is sustainable. Of course, people will pay, and we'll make it competitive. It's not going to be controlled by government, so it will be competitive, and it will be able to, ensure that we deliver on our promises. The governor recognizes that health is wealth. Without the health, everything else is lost. A man can have 1,000 problems until he has a health problem. Once you have a health problem, you have only one problem, So it is that recognition that without health, there can be no community. Without health, there's no economy. Without health, there's no productivity. And without health, there's no enjoyment of life. Alex Otti has 2 more years into this tenure, and then another 4 years. So 6 years of unbroken leadership will put this place in the place where we can be sure that it will continue to run on autopilot. And it's intended to provide state-of-the-art health care in the ambience of beauty and wellness. So to have everything we need in the one-stop shop, of course, because it's also intended to be a tourist base. It will have opportunities for tourism. It will have hotels and beautiful sites located in, and wellness centers. It will have pharmacies, labs, and it will attract the best of the best in health service around the world.